Hello, welcome to Lu Cookbook. Today I will show you a simple way to stir fry eggplant and it tastes very flavorful. First, wash an eggplant under running water and peel the skin. Then cut it into thin slices. And cut them again into thin strips. Cut them as thin as you can. Chop up 2 green onions. And prepare 2 or 3 garlic cloves. Now, put a pan on high heat. Add a generous amount of avocado oil. Vegetable oil will be fine too. Eggplant takes a lot of oil. Make sure you put in enough to your taste. Before the oil starts to smoke, add in green onions. Then add in eggplant pieces and keep stirring so the eggplant is evenly cooked. You will notice the volume shrink and they become soft. This will take about 3 minutes. Now, add in garlic, salt, black pepper, and keep stirring for another minute. Then add in some soy sauce and keep stirring for another minute. Because the eggplant is thinly cut, the whole cooking time is about 5 minutes on high heat. Now, dish out and enjoy. Please leave your comments below and tell me what you think. I'd love to hear how you cook eggplant too. Thanks for watching Lu Cookbook.